Want a budget-friendly dish with incredible flavor? Welcome back to CMT Kitchen. Today, we're turning humble eggplants into a crispy, creamy masterpiece everyone will love. Let's get started. First, let's look at the ingredients. Slice your eggplants into cubes. Set up your station. Mix flour and breading mix on one plate. On a second plate, take half that mix, add water and an egg, and whisk. Dip the eggplant in the batter first, then coat in the dry flour. Heat your oil and fry the eggplant until golden and crisp. Set aside to drain. In the same pan, remove the excess oil, then add the eggplants and lots of chopped onions for crunch. Squeeze fresh calamansi juice, then add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and mayo. Mix well and cook for a minute until creamy. Ready to serve! Crispy, savory, and perfectly creamy. Where are you watching from today? Let me know below and please subscribe for more easy recipes. Happy cooking!